Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have for number 3 that's it from here, secant of 3s squared dx. Number 4 with number 3 we have number 12. Because we don't have number 12 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 12. So this one we change for u. This one we change for du over 12. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.